Hi everyone, my name is Parul and today I want to take you through a slow flow deep stretch for improving your flexibility and give you energy for the rest of your day. This yoga practice is meant for all levels and is really good if you've woken up just now and if your body is really feeling sore and tight. I think this can be a great yoga practice for you. So let's start right away. So sit comfortably in any position. Just put your hands on your knees. I like to start all my yoga practices mindfully. So just put your hand on your heart and then just close your eyes, or you can soften your eyes, sitting long and relaxed. Breathe in and let's take few deep breaths to feel present and grounded for our practice. So just take a deep breath in from your nose and breathe out long and slow out through your nose. Let's take two more breaths like this. Breathe in from your nose, take a deep breath in and breathe out through your nose long and slow. One more breath like this. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your nose. Open your eyes slowly and let's continue with our practice. Okay, now just take your left hand, put it on the right side of your head and gently take your head to the left. Let's start from our neck and our shoulders. You can just relax your right hand on your right knee, or you can just put it down for more intensity. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your head back gently, release your left hand. Let's change. Right hand on the left side, bring your head to the right. Relax your left shoulder down. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Bring your head back. Okay, now just take your shoulders up close to your ears. Breathe in and then breathe out. Drop your shoulders down gently. Breathe in, take your shoulders up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, take your shoulders up. Breathe out, down. One more. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Well done. Now I'm going to sit in this position. You can sit as you are sitting. Just take your arms back, interlace your fingers and then just bring your hands down towards your yoga mat and lift your chin up. Open your chest. Breathe. Release any tightness from your upper body. It's also a gentle back bend, and then just lift your chin up slightly. Keep breathing in and out slowly. Breathe out. Keep breathing in and out slowly. And then gently bring yourself back to neutral spine. Release your hands. Okay. Here we're going to take seated forward bend. Just take your arms up. Inhale, long spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take your arms forward. Push your hips back. Create some space. It doesn't matter how far your arms are. You can just stop wherever it naturally restricts. Relax your head and take few breaths at your own pace. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out long and slow. And then push your hips back to the ground. Just enjoy this nice grounding forward bend. Breathe in and out slowly through your nose. Let's take one slow breath into your belly and breathe out through your nose long and slow. Now slowly bring your arms in, lift your head up gently. Extend your leg straight, okay? Now cross your left leg over right leg, sit long. Take your right arm up. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, hug your left leg with your right arms. Keep sitting long and then just put your left hand back. And look over your left shoulder. Make sure you're not twisting your belly button or your hips back. Twist with your upper chest and your ribs, a little bit with your lower back. And then look over your left shoulder, keeping your spine long, breathing in and out slowly. Stay here for one more breath in and breathe out. Let's switch sides. So extend your left leg straight, right leg is over left leg, flex your left foot, left arm up, breathe in, long spine, and then breathe out. Hug your right leg with your left arm and look over your right shoulder. Stay here for one more breath in and breathe out. Gently untwist, come back to face the front, extend your right leg like this, okay? Now we are going to open our legs wide as you feel comfortable. So you can just open it like this, okay? It doesn't matter how wide it is, and then put your hands back, keep your spine long, breathe, and then just slide your right arm to the right side and then left arm over your ear. Don't worry if your legs are bent. Just ground your hips, ground your heels, open your body. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice one. Now do this on the other side. Left hand to the left, right arm is over your ear, right palm is facing down. Breathe in and out slowly. And then stay here for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bring yourself back. Nice. Now extend your arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Long spine. Bring yourself forward. Now you can be on your forearms. You can be stretching forward as your body tells you to do. You do that. And then just stay here. Release your tight back. Keep your neck, shoulders relaxed. Stay here for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly bring your hands in. Nice. Okay, bend your legs and then just move your legs side to side for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice one. Now I'm going to go again. My side view, you can be sitting as you are sitting. Now bend your legs, take your hands back and take your right leg over left knee. Curl your toes in for your right foot. Your hands can be in any direction. Press into your hands and then just drop your right knee down towards the ground. Now just lift your chest up, release your hips. And then just lift your chin up slightly, keep pressing your left foot down, breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then neutral spine, release your right foot back on the mat. Let's change. Leg up, flex your toes for your left foot. Press into your hands, lift your chest up, breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to neutral spine, release your left foot. take your hands back, press into your hands, open your fingers wide and lift your hips up, releasing tight shoulders and activating your hamstring. Keep breathing, don't sink down in your hands. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Bring your hips back and push it back. Nice. Now just take a moment to release your wrists here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from here, bend your right leg, hold your right leg from wherever you can. Try to lift your right leg up. Keep your spine long. If you think bending left leg would make it easier, go for it. And then just flex and point your right foot for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, then you do rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice one. Keep it down. Let's change to the other side. Lift the left leg up, bend the right leg or straighten it as per your comfort. Keep the spine long and then just again flex and point your left foot for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then change. Then rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and switch. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Nice one. Okay, from here let's get into all 4 positions. So just come on your hands and knees and just do a few rounds of cat and cow, relaxing your spine and lower back. So just drop your belly, lift your chin up, breathe in, breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly. Do this 2 more times. Inhale, lift your chin up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly. One more. Inhale up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly. Back to neutral spine. Okay, from here let's take downward dog. Tuck your toes, lift your knees up, hips up, look back at your toes. Try to keep your spine long, your legs are bent or widen, it doesn't matter. And then just stretch your whole spine, breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then back on your knees, come on your belly. Let's get into the Sphinx pose for our lower back. Come on your forearms. Push your chest forward. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice one. Stay here, taking one more breath in and breathe out. Then from here, take your hands in, press into your hands, lift your chest up, come in full cobra. Inhale, exhale slowly. Come on your knees and let's get into lizard pose. Step your left leg forward and push your right leg back. Rest your right knee down or lift up. Stay here for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And change to the other side. Step your right leg forward, option to keep the left knee down or stay lifted. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your left knee down, relax your right leg, back in downward dog. Lift your knees up, hips up, push your hips back, breathe. And then come in Malasana, frog pose. Put your hands together, open your knees wide with your elbows. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your hands slowly on your hips. Now let's lie down and bend your legs, and we're going to do bridge pose. So palms press down, press into your feet, lift your hips, your lower back, middle back, upper back up. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down your upper back, middle back, lower back, hips down. Then just hug your knees gently, swing side to side, massaging your lower back. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Rest your feet down, straighten your legs or bend your legs as per your comfort, and then just lie down here for a few seconds, integrating everything that you've experienced from your yoga practice today. I hope this practice helped you in releasing your tight muscle and give you the right energy for your day ahead. We're going to slowly move our body, preparing yourself to come up. You can move your fingers and toes gently, and then just turn your body to one direction with the help of your hand. Make your way up, a comfortable sitting position. When you're ready, we're going to end the practice with a pranayama practice, alternate nostril breathing. So excellent practice to relax and balance our energy. So just take your right thumb, put your 2 fingers on your third eye, and then just breathe into your left nostril. Close the left nostril, breathe out from your right. Continue, breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Release your hands, sit quietly for a few seconds. Just checking in with your body, how you feel, especially as compared to when you started this practice. If you have any intention for your day ahead, go ahead and tell yourself. And then gently we are going to rub our hands. Feel the nice warm energy of your hands on your face and your whole body. And then joining hands together. With that, we're going to end our practice today. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. I hope to see you again. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe for more such videos to take care of your body and mind. Namaste and have a great day ahead.